Have you ever had an important conversation with Claude, but later struggled to find it again? Research notes, writing drafts, coding solutions, and project discussions can easily get buried inside your AI chat history. Claude to Notion helps you transform your Claude conversations into organized and searchable Notion pages. Instead of leaving valuable AI knowledge inside your chat history, you can save and reuse it anytime. With one click, you can export your current Claude conversation directly into your Notion workspace. The extension keeps the original conversation structure, including user messages, Claude responses, markdown formatting, code blocks, timestamps, metadata, and source links. After exporting, your Claude conversation becomes a clean Notion page. You can search it, edit it, organize it into databases, and turn your AI conversations into a long-term knowledge library. For more control, Claude to Notion also provides custom export. You can preview the entire conversation, select specific messages, remove unnecessary content, and choose exactly what you want to save. You can also decide whether to include Claude artifacts, generated files, images, and other conversation resources. This is especially useful for long conversations where you only need the most valuable parts. Large exports are handled with real-time progress updates. You can monitor conversation processing, file uploads, page creation, and export status without guessing what is happening. You can sync your complete conversation history, selected conversations, Claude projects, or conversations already open in browser tabs. Project information and conversation metadata are preserved, making it easier to organize related work. Claude to Notion also provides flexible conflict control. Choose to skip existing pages, overwrite previous exports, or create new copies. Recent sync history helps you review completed, failed, or canceled runs. Turn your Claude conversations into searchable knowledge. Try Claude to Notion today and build your AI knowledge archive.